All right, you'd go to New User. The institution code is in there. It's that T number that I have put in here for you. Let me see. I'll have to find it. Give me a minute to find it, okay? So you put in that T. There we go. T number here. You'd click Submit. Make sure it's Antelope Valley College. Click OK. Then if you don't have this, then just click Enter Later. So you can take up this, fill out this in here. Okay. I'm just going to use my daughter's information. Username N Wilson 88 and Wilson. I don't know how far I'll get because I really don't want to use her. You'd set up a password. Okay, so you'd fill in all this. Okay, set up your secret question. What was your high school? One of these. Then you would click Save at this point. Okay, click Save. Let's see. I'll just do her. What is your pet's name? Mocha is her pet's name. Okay, you create a password. Oh, and in between 6. Okay, 2, 3, Sam 6. Okay, and then what am I missing? Oh, okay. So let's say at AVC. Make sure you use your AVC. At EDU. Oops. Am I typing correct? EDU. Trying to rush here. Have to get out. Get ready. Okay, so now what am I missing? What is your pet's favorite name? What else am I missing? Blackboard. I don't know what this Blackboard is. You don't need a phone number there. Okay, so what am I missing? Must be, oh, okay. At avc.edu. See, they got a match. All right. So, Mocha, what else am I missing? ID number, okay. And Wilson. Oh. Here. EDU. There we go. Okay, now you'd hit Save. I don't know why. I don't know, but you would hit Save at this point. Okay. All right. There we go. Then I agree. I'll just delete her at this point. Okay, so click here to join a section. Excuse me. Go over here. Click on this. OT, click OK. All right. Then when you log into yours, you'll log into your name. Activities. Go to Activities. To get rid of this activity calendar, just click this off. Okay. And then, yeah, we know. So that would be off. Then click Activity List. Yours would come up. This right here where it says Reading, this is your book. So you don't need an ISBN number. This is your book. All right. So you click on that. And your book will open. Mind tap, yeah. Scroll all the way down, accept, and then it gives you your book. All right? Okay. So you can go through it, or you can just ignore it and go right to like module 10, if that's what you want. This up here is the home button. This will start you on, this one is just introduction. This starts you on your lessons, okay? So you can either split screen this or use a different monitor. And then here's your lessons. All right? Okay? That will start you on your lessons. This is the timed writings. This right here tells you what's in there. You click on these, you hit start. It will give you your tasks. Excuse my sniffling. Then you just type whatever it tells you after blah, blah, blah. Make sure you hit the submit button down here after you complete it. Okay? For each one. All right? Hope this helps.